See, pointing at the gen.
I blinded myself. He's just staring. He slowly turned on.
Bro's mad.
Oh, he's pissed at me. Just watch him turn back. Oh yeah, I feel like when we first started, like, oh, okay, yeah, man, just come after me. There's totally not two other people. There's totally not a broken person. But fucking yeah, I don't know. I feel like when I first started, it was like nowhere near as bad. Oh no, yeah, I'm that stupid. Holy shit, thank you.
Oh, he's pissed at me. He's pissed at me. Andrew, run.
Oh no. Where is he? Is he chasing me out there?
Yeah. Fuck. Andrew!
Oh, how did he know I was there? Man. Well,
He's teabagging at me. God damn it, dude!
thank you.
Yo, can y'all work on a gen?
He got me? Okay. I don't believe in lockers anymore. Thank you.
I'm dead. He's gonna have me! He'll believe this is M1 for the first time in the game. You guys fucking suck! Okay, you might have like one.
I got it. Damn, this David's been looping him since the start of the game where I'm that little singular pallet. Oh god. Yo, chill out. Calm it down. Calm it the
Here,
fuck
go
down.
Go down. Thank you. I did it. Cause she fucking hit her as she bolted. No!
Yeah.
Bitch. You steal on purpose? Buckle up! I forgot! Oh, it's Pyramid Head.
Oh god.
Oh wait, I just realized we're playing as James and Maria. What's your Phil?
Yeah.
What's your Phil? Leave us alone, or
You should try to ask him.
I'm scared.
You guys him. Okay, so he's over there. Let's go meet him.
I feel like there's also just a lot of Pyramid Head players who don't even like Silent Hill. Oh my god, he's so dark! Is that his bloody skin?
I think so. That's kind of cool though. You missed.
Oh my god! Did not know she was in there. Okay, his Pyramid Head can't nod.
You know, I would save them anyways, but the username like that. Yeah, I was thinking about it. Like, I wonder how many people like fucking know jack shit about Silent Hill. They just find it cool.
And just made Pyramid Head.
Yeah. Or show good next on his voice.
Oh no, he's mind gaming himself.
Oh dear.
Bro's dazed and confused. What's he doing? I'm just taking a stroll. He's literally just looping himself at Jack.
He's lost it. Oh yeah, he has to injure me though.
Yeah.
I just tell him to. I just face the wall and you just point at me. Alright, point at me.
Or you could just ask him to give him hooks. Pyramid Head, please!
Whoa. Alright, there. I'll just go over here. Hold on. Oh, did that work?
Yeah.
He's screaming.
That was so difficult trying to convince the Pyramid Head to hit you.
Yeah. Oh, she got him.
I feel bad. She died because of that shit.
And she dies so we can get 2 gens done. I think that's fair. If only she'll start recovering. Oh, she's gonna out of this way. No.
No.
Fuck.
It said, yo, you guys are strong, LMFAO.
She keeps walking by as she's chasing someone, just point in their direction. And get back up the jet. Oh. Jeff better take a fucking hit. Yeah, man, that's weird. Oh, your crack just checked. No, I should have stole that hit. I did not realize what you did.
I was suddenly like, now's my time to shine. Yeah, but unfortunately, I only have the tier 1 buckle up, so the endurance only lasts 6 seconds instead of 10.
What the fuck?
Yeah, what? I was so confused. God damn it. I'm a stupid boy. I'm a stupid boy. Oh, never mind, she's a stupid boy.
Let's go. Yay. Stay away. Oh, he's mad at you. You better run.
Oh, he mad. I'm trying to get him killed. Where'd he go?
He's on the other side. Like he's going towards the gate. And check you guys find him. Make him.
Come on, Chucky. No, I'm trying to get you killed. Yeah!